So let's try to install the app. We have the app installed on a simulator, and we can find the app name that is currently stored in a configuration file. Let's change it to Lego Man. After that, we're gonna change the display name and the project settings, and let's try to run it again. As you can see, right now it's changed. Next step will be to change the icon. We need to find our asset folder and change the application icon. It has several sizes. I'm gonna use a website to find any good image, and I'm gonna generate icon units service. After generating the icons, I will just copy paste it in the folder where the all assets stores. You can just replace the folder with all icons inside it, because there's several sizes. As you can see right now, it changed in Xcode right away. Next step is to run app again. Yeah, as you may see right now, it also affects the app that was installed on simulator. It's also changed across the app in schema and targets. That's all. Thank you.